Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at sales and operations planning, but from a make to order environment, where the previous video you may have seen was in a make to stock environment. So you can see here down below in the make to order, we're going to use the same sales plan numbers and the same production plan number. So you can see what the difference is, the math. In the above make to stock, extra went into inventory. In a make to order, we're talking about customer orders in the backlog. And so extra, if I write it on the right side here, goes out the door. So I'll do this just for a couple of periods here. So we'll start with 100 orders like we did before. We'll use the same numbers we did up above for the first period. So sales was planning to bring in 100 orders. They brought in 110. Our production plan was to build 142 orders and ship them. And in fact, that's what we did. So in this case, we built and shipped 32 more orders than what the plan was. So 142 minus 110 is 32 orders. So we shipped out the door an extra 32 orders. So now when the backlog was 100 orders, we shipped 32 more. The backlog is down to 68. So the math goes in the other direction. And let's say it happens from a second period like that. Another 110 orders come in and 142 out the door. Then we go down another 32, and now we're down to 36. And you can start to see what's going to happen here, and this is why sales and operations planning is good, is because we adjust as we look out in the future, because if we were to have continued one more month like this, we could have run the number of orders we had in house down to zero, because if we'd have done the 90, if we'd have brought in 90 and tried to build 160, it would have dropped by 70. Now, number one, it couldn't have happened because we only had 36 orders. So hopefully back here in month 1 or 2 in the sales and operations planning, we would have changed our production plan to be able to build back up the backlog or something. But what we wanted to show you here is the math for make to order. It works in the opposite direction, and extra goes out the door. And as you see and you learn more about sales and operations planning, these sales plan numbers and production plan numbers would then have to change accordingly so we could stay within the range of backlog of orders that we wanted to have on the books. So that's what we have for make to order, and we'll thank you very much for watching this video.